Hey there my friend, what is going on? Vitaly Dubin is here and congratulations on making a decision to become part of this 100% decentralized matrix project coded on the smart contract called Forsage. I'm going to show you in this very short video tutorial exactly step by step how to get started with Forsage. And we're going to do it by installing Metamask. I want to show you how you can register right now, how you can open the slots, and how you can get started with small amount of capital and potentially earn thousands of Ethereum. How you can earn Ethereum daily with Forsage, and the first step is getting started, you know? Now I already have the Metamask installed, and if I click on this actual wallet on the Etherscan, I want to show you that you can also earn Ethereum every single day. Like you can see all of those transactions happen just in the last 24 hours. This is 3.2 ETH, 1.6 ETH, 3.2 ETH again. This is another transactions on one day. And if you click on view all, you can see that every single day transactions are happening and you can earn Ethereum daily. Now, because I already have the Metamask installed here on Google Chrome, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to get started, install a brand new Metamask account on the Brave browser. So you can do it on Google Chrome, you can also do it on the Brave browser. So the first thing is click on the link below this video or go to metamask.io. It works on any PC, okay, or MacBook, and you can use Google Chrome or the Brave browser, okay? So you click on download now and install Metamask for Chrome. You click on that, it's going to show you the extensions. And in this case, I'll add to Brave, and if you use the Google Chrome, you click on add to Google Chrome and add extension, okay? So the next step is to click on the get started button and then to create a wallet, okay? If you ever lose your wallet PC or something happens, you can always restore your wallet by clicking on this option. So you click on create a wallet, I agree, and then you need to set up a password. Now, once you're done, then click on create. Here is your secret backup phrase, okay? Make sure that you write it down on a piece of paper. Do not take a screenshot of this on your computer or on your phone. Make sure that you write it down with a pen or pencil on the paper and put it in the safe place. Do it right now. Okay, and when you finish, click on next. And now you need to confirm your secret backup phrase one word after another. And once you're done, you click on the confirm button, and congratulations. Okay, now save a backup in multiple places, never share the phrase with anyone, okay? And now we click on the all done. Now you have the wallet set up. Now the next thing you want to do is deposit Ethereum. Click on deposit here, view account, and copy this and deposit Ethereum from your other wallet where you bought Ethereum or where you store Ethereum from any other wallet. Now, how much Ethereum should you deposit there in your new Metamask account? Well, it depends on how many slots you want to activate from the get-go. The more slots you activate in X3 and X4, the more you can earn from the get-go, okay? We have people on the team who started with as high as 11 slots open in X3 and in X4 right from the get-go, okay? Most people start with 6 or 7 slots in X3 and X4. To activate 6 slots in X3 and X4, you need 3.2 Ethereum. To activate 7 slots in X3 and X4, you need 6.4 Ethereum. To activate 5 slots in X3 and X4, you need 1.6 Ethereum, okay? So you decide how many slots you want to activate and you do it one by one, okay? So after you decided how much Ethereum, how many slots you want to activate from the get-go, go ahead and deposit Ethereum into this wallet. Now, if you do not have Ethereum, you can watch the video on this page how to buy Ethereum using credit card with 0% fees. You can go to crypto.com, for example, go through there, download the app, go through authentication process with your passport or driving license, and you can buy with Visa and in some countries MasterCard with 0% credit card fee, and then you can withdraw from there to the Metamask. Another option is to get verified on Binance.com, and you can use the option there to buy crypto, okay, with your credit or debit card after verification, and you get I think over 0% fees as well if you buy over $500 worth of Ethereum. Okay, so those are two places. CoinMama is another one. It's higher fees than those two. Okay, there is Luna.com as well. So there's different choices. This is by far the most preferred choice for me is Crypto.com and Binance. Okay, so go ahead and do it right now. Okay, now that you have your Ethereum deposited into your Metamask, and I just for the demonstration purposes put 0.8 ETH here, and like I said, you need to plan how much you need to put. 3.2 ETH or 6.2 ETH is really good start. So next you click on the link right on this page, and you should see this page, okay? And you click on join now, and you might get to this page right away by clicking on this link, okay? And what you need to do is click on the green button, click to register. And before you do so, if you're on Brave, make sure that you get down your shields, okay, so you can interact with the smart contract. So you click on this green button, and you might see this right here. Would you like to use Brave's crypto wallets or Metamask? For DAS, use Metamask, okay? And if you refresh the page, usually with the Google Chrome, it's easier than the Brave, okay? Now you should see this authorization, okay? And you click on connect, all right? And now you see ID of inviter, okay? This is the ID. Make sure that you have the correct, if you click on the correct link on this page, which should be the correct link on this page, right? Then this is the ID of your inviter, and you click on confirm, okay? And here you'll see a pop-up window of 0.05 ETH, and you click on confirm, okay? So now group link confirm, okay? You will see this information about the transaction ID, look in the blockchain, okay? And to confirm, we are waiting right now for 4 confirmations. So it should take about half a minute or so. You can click on this transaction ID. It will open up. You'll see the transaction is a success and 1 block reward, okay? Transaction 0 confirmed, view on Etherscan, all right? You can see 1 out of 4 confirmations. So we'll wait until it has 4 confirmations. And now by refreshing this page, you should be able to see right here, your new ID in this case is 98,140. You can see about 3,000 people joined in the last 24 hours. You see note, never share your private key, 12 words from your wallet. So now you're in, okay? And you have your first slot open in Forsage X3 and first slot open in Forsage X4. So what do you do next? Very simple. You click on buy this shopping cart, okay? And in case you see this, okay, purchase in preview mode is not available. You see we are in a view mode right now. You need to click on a logout button, and you need to click on the green button again and sign in, okay? You need to sign in. It will show you a message like this, and you click on sign in, and then you will be not in the view mode. So now you can click on the buy button and click on confirm your purchase, and you will see right here 0.05 ETH. You click on confirm. The transaction has been sent. Please wait for confirmation of the network. So once again, about 30 seconds or so, we're going to refresh the screen and it will turn green. Okay, so now that it is green, you simply go ahead and activate the next slot on X4, okay, and click on confirm, and then again wait for 30 seconds, refresh, and it should show green over here. And you just continue doing like this, activating and upgrading the slots one by one, okay? And like I said, You can activate 6 slots in X3, 6 slots in X4. Some leaders activated as high as 11 slots in X3 and 11 slots in X4 to be able to earn more Ethereum faster with Forsage. Okay, of course it's not guaranteed. Okay, but you know, I'll show you an example of accounts that have generated significant amount of income by activating more slots. You can see right here, okay, your transactions and the contract interaction. You can click also on the Etherscan and you can see all of these transactions that are interacting on the Etherscan itself. Okay, so here's for an example, 20920. This account, okay, is activated all these slots in X4, and just by spillover of the Matrix marketing plan generated 80 Ethereum, $15,680, which is absolutely incredible with just the spillover, with no referrals. It's amazing. But I recommend that you go and activate both X3 and X4 programs, not like he did over here. So your goal is to activate as many slots as possible and progress as quickly as possible to activate all 24 slots, just like I did right here. Now, another couple of things I want to show you. Make sure that you click on your goals and you set up a goal and a target that will inspire you, okay, that you really want to achieve. Put a name to it, a description, your why, and how much is required, and put a picture. For example, you want to buy an apartment. How much do you need for that? Okay, how many Ethereum do you need for that? If you want to buy a car, what type of car do you want? If you want to raise money for a particular cause or a cruise or something of that nature, you know, your imagination, you know, make your dreams come true. What is your goal? What is your target? Why do you want to generate Ethereum with Forsage? You know, so make sure that you set it up, and that will inspire your people as they're going to see your progress in percentages. Just like I have here 3% towards buying an apartment near the sea, they're going to see your percentages, how you're progressing towards your goal, and that will inspire them. And make sure to put a deadline to it as well. Okay, another thing that you want to do is click here to enable notifications. All right, and it will open up a Telegram bot, and you can see here I have 2 accounts connected. Now you can click on accounts and you can click on add, and essentially you can go here and copy this address and then click here and add. Address added successfully, and now you're going to see every time that you generated income in Forsage, like 1.6 ETH, like 0.05 ETH, you know, it's going to show you this in the Telegram notifier bot about what happened in your Forsage X3 and Forsage X4 matrices. Each time you will see these dollar signs, know that it is coming directly into your personal Ethereum wallet that we just set up, the Metamask. Okay, so make sure that you do that. So other than that, you're good to go. This is your affiliate link. Okay, you can use it in the funnel setup. This is your Ethereum wallet. You can watch the smart contract address and the contract over here. Okay, and all the internal transactions, and make sure that also that the transactions coming in, they are coming in as internal transactions. Okay, so if you're getting paid, okay, don't see it in the transactions, you will see it under internal transactions. And here under partners, you'll be able to see your new registrations. Okay, like how many people you have on your team in total. Okay, here you'll see your statistics of what's going on. Here you'll see how much total Ethereum made by all the members of the projects, and here you'll see instructions as well, like how the matrix marketing plans work. Okay, very simple. This is how you get started.